Kouli Kollector. Hi, Kouli Kollector here, and we got something from Funrise Toys.
And they are these awesome TONKA Real Tough Power Movers. Kouli, do you know what this is? This is called a cement mixer. It's where it mixes all the cement. And then this, you know what this one is?
Dump truck.
That's right, it's a dump truck. So thank you very much, Funrise Toys, for sending us over the TONKA Real Tough Power Movers. We'll get them open and we'll show you exactly what they do.
Mine was real, I would do this if it was still a toy and it was real, and then it would sink down like this.
The cement? Yeah, so if you're really putting cement in here, you'd be mixing it like that.
And then it would come down from there.
So Kouli, this is the cement mixer. And it mixes the cement. Does it do anything else?
Yes. After we're gonna show the engine makes noise, and if you move it forwards, it makes the noise like a noise if you do it frontwards, and then if it backwards, it's reverse, and it makes a different sound.
Yeah, so the rev of the engine starts up when you power up the power movers, and like Kouli said, when you go forward, it sounds and it feels like a real truck moving forward with the rev of the engine. And then when you move backwards, when the wheels click backwards, it makes the backup noise. So Kouli, thank you very much for showing us the cement mixer. I had the pleasure of playing with the dump truck a little bit, and it's really cool. Just like Kouli's cement mixer, you pull this lever, and then the bed of the dump truck can empty whatever you have inside.
It's kind of confusing because when you pull it down, it goes up, and then when you pull it up, it goes
down? Yeah, so you gotta get used to that, I guess. So that's my dump truck. You wanna hear what it sounds like?
Mine first.
Alright.
Then if I move it back.
So as Kouli goes back, the cement mixer makes the backup sound, and now he's going forward. And then the button to turn it off. So it's really cool too because there are lights on all the vehicles, forwards and backwards.
And if it stops flashing, it flashes a second and then it flashes again. So if it's all done, then you press it again and then you can listen to it again.
So we heard Kouli's truck going forward and backward. I'll start mine up. They sound very similar, but we love the rev of the engine, right?
Yes.
They're really loud. They're really, it just feels like a real truck.
And I thought you can click it right here because they all have these, and they don't click.
The flat,
they don't go
to
back.
turn signals? No, but there are lights in the front and in the back. So I'll turn mine on.
What? Oh yeah, right there.
So there's the lights in the front. And you can hear the going forward. Now we start going backwards.
It's kind of the same noise, but
forwards and backwards, and to turn it off, oh actually, let's dump something. Kouli, do we have anything that we can actually dump?
Yeah, let's dump these beads. That was fun.
Now, my turn to dump these fluffs. Well, that was fun. Kouli, what are we gonna dump now?
Slime.
Oh.
It's stuck. Pull it out.
Ooh. Got that slime in there. Whoa.
Got that slime in there. Whoa.
Alright, let's see that slime dump. Whoa. Dump. Whoa. Dump. Whoa. It's more like a. He's like swimming down, not dumped.
Swim down.
Look.
It's like he's swimming in water.
Let's see that again.
This time we're doing green slime.
This guy's stuck just like the black slime.
Now let's see if it will go.
It's like Blobby is like swimming down. He's enjoying the dump truck. Doesn't want to come out.
Jump into the dump truck. Now go. Now.
So whether you're dumping slime, beads, whatever, if you're inside, outside, playing in the mud, playing indoors, these Tonka trucks are Tonka tough. They're a lot of fun to play with, and with the extra added sound and just vibration of the vehicle with the motion and the sound, these Tonka trucks are awesome. I loved playing with them, and it brought me back to my childhood. Kouli, I know you love cars and trucks, so you love playing with it too. So there's lots that you can keep in the dump truck and store and dump and do whatever, just like what we showed you, and lots of fun to be had, right, Kouli? Is there anything else you want to say?
Yeah.
Ah, spiders!
Ah, spiders!
Are you hiding spiders in your dump truck? Kouli, you're hiding your Halloween decorations. Possibilities are endless to store, dump, and play with. Those look real. Thanks again, Funrise Toys, for providing these toys and for all the fun, awesome toys that you provide. Please check it out, everybody. They are available now for $24.99 at Toys R Us, Walmart, and Home Hardware. Is there anything else? So as always,
Please like, share, subscribe, comments are always welcome below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
bye. You wanted to scare me with that? I'll
Yep.
scare you?
No, not really.
No, I tried.
Kouli Kollector. Kouli Kollector. Kouli Kollector.